Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at some considerations related to charts in general. For any chart, be it line chart, bar chart or candlestick, the vertical axis can be constructed either with a linear scale, which is also known as the arithmetic scale, or it can be constructed with a logarithmic scale, depending on how you want to view the data. In order to understand the difference between the linear scale and logarithmic scale, I have produced two charts here. One is a linear scale chart and other is the logarithmic scale chart. When you look at the linear scale chart, you see that the distance between 5 to 10 on vertical scale is same as the distance between 10 to 15. Also you see that the distance between the price of 10 and 20 is the same as the distance between 20 and 30. But now if you look at the log scale, you see that the distance between 10 and 20 is the same as the distance between 20 and 40. What this means is that when the price of a security moves from 10 to 20, during this period the prices have given a return of 100%. Similarly, when prices move from 20 to 40, again the security has given a return of 100%. So in case of log scale, equal vertical distances on the chart correspond to an equal percentage change. So for example, when you move from 10 to 100, there is a tenfold increase in the price of a security. Similarly, when you move from 100 to 1000, there is again a tenfold increase in the price of the security. Now you might wonder, why would someone want to plot prices using log scale? This is so because log scale is appropriate for analysis when prices move through a range of values representing several orders of magnitude. So for example, if you are analyzing a stock that has moved from 10 to 10,000, you should be using the log scale to plot the prices. An arithmetic or linear scale, on the other hand, is better suited for narrower ranges, example for price movements from 35 to 50. The next important consideration when dealing with charts is volume. Volume is actually an important characteristic that is included at the bottom of many charts. It is used to assess the strength or conviction of buyers and sellers in determining a security's price. If volume increases during a time frame in which price is also increasing, that combination is considered positive and the two indicators confirm each other. This signal is interpreted to mean that over time more investors are buying the financial instrument and they are doing so at higher and higher prices. Also, if volume and prices diverge, for example if stock's price rises while its volume declines, it means that fewer and fewer market participants are willing to buy that stock at the new price. If this trend in volume continues, the price rally will soon end because the demand for the security at higher prices will cease. In many of the tools we discuss, we'll be using this characteristic of volume to further confirm our analysis. For now, we will move on to the next important consideration. The next important consideration is the time interval used to plot the chart. Most of the charts we use in this tutorial are daily charts. Now daily charts plot price action on each day, with each day being plotted on the horizontal axis. However, one can also use hourly, half hourly, 5-minute or even 1-minute chart for short-term trading. Similarly, for longer term investing, one can use weekly, monthly or even yearly charts. The key advantage of technical analysis is that the same analytical approach applies irrespective of the time interval used. However, using long time intervals allow the analyst to chart longer time periods than does using short time intervals, since long intervals contain fewer data points. Also, it is common to use many different time frames to analyze any security. Now, keeping these considerations in mind, we will start looking at specific tools to analyze securities. So in the next video, we'll look at an important analytical pattern which is known as the gap.